In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Shopify store URL in just a few simple steps. Whether you're just starting out with your Shopify store or you've been in the game for a while, knowing where to find your store URL is crucial for sharing your site with potential customers, linking to social media, or integrating it with other online platforms. This video will guide you through the process, ensuring you can locate your store's URL quickly and efficiently. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're signed in, head over to the homepage of your account. This is the hub where you'll manage all aspects of your store, from managing products to customizing themes. From here, finding your store URL is an intuitive process. Now let's move on to the next step. On the homepage, you'll see a variety of options to choose from, but what you'll need to do is direct your attention to the lower left part of the screen where the menu is. Look for the settings option down there. Clicking on it will take you to the area of your Shopify account where you can manage various store settings, from user accounts and permissions to billing and legal settings. After clicking on settings, you'll be presented with a range of different options related to every aspect of your store. What we want to focus on here is the general settings section. This is where the basic but essential information about your store is kept. It's under this section where you'll find the details pertinent to your store's identity, including the store name, store address, and yes, the all-important store URL. Once you're in the general settings, you won't need to scroll too far. Right there under your store's name, you will see your store URL displayed. This URL is essentially the web address that customers will use to access your store online. It's like your online business card, a key piece of information that allows people to reach your store. Before you wrap up, here's a quick tip. It's always beneficial to double check the URL and make sure it's working correctly. You can do this by simply copying the URL and pasting it into a web browser to ensure it directs correctly. By following these steps, you now have the tools to find your Shopify store URL with ease every time you need it, and there you have it. Following these simple steps, you can effortlessly locate your Shopify store URL whenever you need to. Remember, the store URL is vital for your e-commerce operations, so keep it handy for ease of access. Thank you for following along, and happy selling on Shopify.